So guys, I am in Kasoli and enjoying the view of Kasoli forest and the views and enjoying the Maggie also. See the view, I am on the hills, going to the some side of this lake area. This is very dangerous. And see the view where we are going to will stay. I am talking about some of these forests are looking so good, and this I saw something of new kinds of birds and trees. I saw some fall also, some rivers, and see the clouds are too close to the mountain. They are touching off the peaks. I think the people of living there are already wet. So what we can do? I wish they have a spare clothes. But the view is the best view ever. See, see, there are some slides also. See, there are some birds flying on. See, the clouds are too close to them. Let me show you the view of their peak. See, there is almost forest, and there are some houses, and there is a resort. So thank you for watching. See you later.